Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the candy Mutated Brainrots in Escape Tsunami for Brainrots. So if you want to maximize your income and fill your base with the sweetest units in the game, you need to know that you can get how you can get the candy Mutated Brainrots. And I'm going to show you the easiest way to farm this limited times mutations. So to get the candy mutated events, one of the fastest way is you can just catch or bring a candy lucky block, and in here I have 1, 2, 3 candy blocks, and I got it while the candy advance is happening. So let's see in here, this is one of the candy mutated block. You can see it's different. This one is level 2 and this one is level 70, and the other one is level 96. So let's open this one and let's see what Brainrots with candy mutations that I will get. Okay, so I got the team cheese with candy mutations. So that's how you can get the candy mutated Brainrots. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks.